Hello to everyone and welcome to CMX Market Step by Step. Today we are going to talk about making a withdrawal from your account. You ought to know that your withdrawals must be transferred to the same e-wallet or bank account used for the deposit. On the left-hand side of the main menu, click Funds, then Withdraw Funds. On the Withdrawal Funds page, on the first tab, Initial Information, you need to choose the account from which you'd like to make the withdrawal. Then select one of the withdrawal methods: Bank Wire Euro, Bank Wire USD, PayPal or Perfect Money. More payment methods coming soon. We will take PayPal as an example. On the Transfer Details tab, you need to set the withdrawing amount and some additional information if it is necessary. Then press Continue button. The final step will be confirmation, on which you will need to verify all inputted info and press the Continue button. Now we can see in the Transaction History tab that our withdrawal request has pending status. After that, one of our specialists will double-check all inputted data, and after approval, the money will be deposited into your e-wallet or bank account. Then our withdrawal is done. We can see our withdrawal request is completed in the transaction history as well. See you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and put your likes.